Namaste friends. What is Web3? Why Web3 is being called as the future of the internet? Why Web3 is said to bring big change to how the world operates? That's what we are going to talk about in today's video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started. So, to understand Web3, we need to go back to the year 1990 when Internet's first global version aka Web 1 was started. The websites in Web 1 were centralized, means that they were completely controlled by their owners. The websites were static and were read-only, means that you can only read them. You cannot interact with them. You cannot post your photo or video on it. You cannot do like, comment or subscribe. But these features also arrived when Web 2 started in 2004. In Web 2 websites like Facebook and YouTube, you can post your photos and videos. You can do like, comment and subscribe. Web 2 is also a centralized but dynamic and interactive version of internet. And then the rise of Web 3 started when in 2008 an anonymous person named Satoshi Nakamoto used blockchain technology as a distributed public ledger for the transactions of the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. And then with time Web3 developed a lot. So Web3 is basically the third version of the internet, which is completely decentralized and is completely based upon the blockchain technology. But how is Web3 better than Web 1 and Web 2? So the biggest reason for this is blockchain technology and its benefits. Now let's understand what is blockchain and what are its benefits. So blockchain is a distributed digital ledger technology. Now let's understand the meaning of these three words. The first word is ledger. Ledger means a collection where we can store the data of details of many different accounts and the data of their history of transactions. Now the second word is digital, means that this ledger exists only digitally and has no physical existence. Now the third word is distributed, means that this digital ledger is completely distributed among all the peoples who are connected to that blockchain network. And so each one of them have a copy of the original digital ledger. Now let's talk about the benefits of blockchain. The first benefit is open network, means that any person in the world can access any public blockchain and there will be no restrictions. The second benefit is permissionless, means that you don't need anyone's permission to access and use a public blockchain. The third benefit is pseudonymity, means that you don't need to share your personal information like your name, gender, address and contact details with anyone on the network to use and access a blockchain. You just need a blockchain wallet like MetaMask to use and access a public blockchain. The fourth benefit is distributed or decentralized, means that the data and the power are distributed all over the network and there is no single entity holding all the data and the powers. Now the fifth benefit is permanent and immutable, means that once you upload some kind of data on the blockchain, then it cannot be deleted or changed. The sixth benefit is multiple data backups, because the data uploaded on the blockchain network is permanent and immutable and can be accessed anytime by the user. The blockchain is acting as a data backup, and since the data is copied to every single node present on the network, blockchain acts as a multiple data backups. The seventh benefit is traceability. Blockchain helps us trace different things with the help of recorded data, so that you can determine where they have reached digitally in the case of transactions and physically in the case of products in a supply chain. Now the eighth benefit is transparency, means that any unfair action Whether it's manipulation of data or hacking of a node is being recorded and every node can see it, then the necessary actions can be taken to punish the imposter. The ninth benefit is security and privacy. Your data on a blockchain network is end-to-end encrypted by the secured hash algorithms or SHA, and only you can permit any other node on a blockchain network to view your personal data. And without your permission, no one can access and see your data, not even a hacker. 10th benefit is cost reduction of the projects of organizations, as there is no third party involved in between the transactions. You are directly communicating with the other person without the need of a middleman. Also, many manual processes and tasks are being taken care of by the blockchain, reducing costs. Now, the 11th benefit is speed and efficiency. Because the blockchain replaces many humans, there is very less chance of frauds, stealing, human errors, and the work is also done very fast, increasing the productivity of the system. The 12th benefit is ownership of data. Means that only you own your data and only you will decide what will happen of the data. So guys, that's it for this video. I also have a quiz for you. If you will write the correct answer, you will get a message from me. So write your answer below in the comment section. So the quiz is, who used the blockchain technology first, Satoshi Nakamoto or Mark Zuckerberg? Bye bye.